Hey, welcome to Mercy Couture Wigs YouTube channel. All right, so we have everything wigs that you need. Here tutorials, behind the scenes footage. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below, mercycouturewigs.com. Hey guys. All right, so today we are going to make this wig right here. All right, so this is what I started with. I started with these body wave bundles, 5x5 HD lace closure. This is from my wig company, Mercy Couture Wigs. And before I do anything and change the color, I am going to just bleach the knots on this 5x5 HD lace closure. All right, so we are finalizing this closure, getting everything secured, and now we put 40 volume developer overnight, literally for 24 hours. That way we can lighten up the color without using bleach. All right, but now I'm going to add, this is number 6. This is, I think this color is ash brown. All right, so I'm putting it all over because I didn't do the wig first because I was waiting on a wig cap to come. So I just am doing this off the wig, and I'm massaging everything in because I want to give it more of an ash tone. All right, so it at first was a little bit difficult because I haven't done this in a while without it being on a wig, but I really ended up, oh, and I ended up having to get 2 bottles, by the way. So that one bottle only did the 2 bundles, but it didn't do the closure. All right, so now I'm just massaging and combing everything through, making sure everything is saturated. That way we don't have any patchy colors or anything. And I like this way better because I can really get into the roots. But either way is better, whatever you prefer. All right, so now we are flat ironing this hair. We want to make sure, because when we curl it, what I notice, if you don't flat iron it, sometimes at the weft area can have like a dent and stuff. So then some of your hair might be a little wavy, some of it might be a little bit straight, you know. So I'm just going through with my Kaposi flat iron, which is about 1 inch on 450. Yep, as you can see, all the steam, it is hot because I'm only doing 1 pass pretty much, which this actually doesn't damage the hair. I've noticed this curling iron is really good. All right, so now I am going to just get some soft layers to this hair. She wanted a bang, so I am going to just like feather a bang just a little bit, not too much. And she likes the hair coming down in front of her face, so I am just taking it step by step. And yeah, so I originally had a U-part, if you could see my hair, why I look like I have 2 curls coming down on the side. So I had a U-part in and braiding it. But I'm just feathering the hair a little bit, giving it a bang, so that way that front part can kind of like swoop in the face. All right, and that's pretty much it. And I'm gonna go around and just give like the whole thing a 1-2 and a 1-2. I'm just gonna just feather the whole thing and just give it some light layers because this is a 14-inch, so pretty much it's, you know, it has its layers, but she, you know, wanted it to look like Michelle Obama's hairstyle. So this one right here, yes, I cut the front and I'm just gonna go side by side and pretty much cut the rest of the hair. All right, so we finished cutting the hair, and now I am going to curl the hair. So I am going to section the hair off into 3 sections, the back and 2 sides. And I am going to add body curls to this. Since it's a 14-inch, it's not going to be like super, super long, but the curls will be a little tighter because I'm using a 1-inch towel. And I'm just taking small sections of the hair where I can curl it, and that way it's not going to be like a loose curl, because the curls are going to drop, and not everybody's very familiar with curling hair, so it's better to do it tight. That way it'll last long, so they can take it off and it can last like a couple weeks. But you're always going to have to add curls in it. It is human hair, you know what I'm saying? And it's straight hair, so straight hair is gonna, depends. It can drop. All right, and it's getting nice and warm outside. I don't know why, it's January, but hey. All right, so as you can see, I am going through, and I am pretty much just, making sure you get everything in. I'm starting from the top because I just want the back to be full. I want everything to just be full and for the curls to hold, because I'm going to ship this out in about 2 days. So by then the curls could actually drop naturally and have just some nice, flow to it. Yes. Oh my gosh, I'm really loving this color. Now with the color, I'm really happy with the light, with the ash brown, because it did take away some of the redness, but it leaves it nice and brown. I really, really love it. I'm excited. Yes. All right. So we are almost finished with this curling. We are just, well, not really, but I curled the rest off camera. So that way, you can get the gist of how you're supposed to curl the hair. Actually, I don't do the rest off camera. I do the front. This is what it looks like now. So after all the curls, and you want to curl it going away from the face. This is what it looks like in its final. Yes, stage. Beautiful, beautiful curls. Once curled out, it's going to look beautiful. If she wants to comb it out, it's going to be amazing. And look at that part. Yes, the side bang. It's amazing. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.